Again tonight, we are reporting on a wondrous water. We have previously reported on other uses of this water. The water is used as a substitute for agricultural chemicals as well. Here's a variety of brightly colored fruits and vegetables. My favorite is a cucumber, but I worry about the effects of chemicals on them. Cucumbers are vulnerable to many diseases, and especially those grown in greenhouses must be sprayed often. Without spraying, only 10% of the cucumbers survive. However, we found a farmer named Toshigi who grows cucumbers without chemicals. They use water, which is not harmful to our health, but which does destroy mold. Tap water comes into this machine and is separated into alkaline water and acidic water. When the water is put through electrolysis, it separates into alkaline and acidic water. Alkaline water collects at the positive pole, and the negative pole attracts strong acidic water with a pH of 2.6. This is done very rapidly. The strong acidic water kills germs that cause all kinds of cucumber diseases. One healthy cucumber plant yields about 100 cucumbers. That is why farmers hate the diseases that threaten their crops. All harmful bacteria are destroyed on plants that are sprayed with the acidic water. It is surprising that the white mildew was killed and removed by the powerful sterilizing power of the acidic water. The difference is clear between a plant treated with the water and one that was not treated. Without the acidic water, chemical sprays would be needed. If chemicals were used on these cucumbers, I wouldn't want to eat one right off the vine, but in this case, I decided to try one. It is fresh and delicious and smells good. You can eat these cucumbers without worry, even without washing or cooking. Golf is a favorite sport in Japan. Golf course greens are normally treated with chemicals, which cause many environmental problems. Two years ago, we conducted an investigation of chemicals used on golf courses. We found that an average of 2.7 tons of 50 different types of chemicals are used each year on a typical golf course. Some chemicals stay in the soil for a long time and become a source of pollution. I am using ionized acidic water with a pH of 2.6. At Atsugi Country Club, they have been trying to reduce the use of chemicals by using acidic water. A beautiful lawn can die quickly from any one of many diseases. When this happens, it is very costly for the golf course. This golf course decided to try killing germs with strong acidic water created by electrolysis. Now we spray acidic water weekly during warm weather and once or twice a month when it is not so warm. Why does this water kill germs? Germs can't live in an acidic environment below 3.0 pH. This strong acidic water has a pH of only 2.6, and it kills germs on contact. Other features of the water also help to kill the germs. We are trying to cut our use of chemicals by 80%. Soon we hope to cut out the use of chemicals completely by using this water. The farmers who are freed from using chemicals are most pleased. Now they can work in light clothing, sneakers, aprons, and jeans. I used to be afraid to work in a hothouse when I was pregnant because of the chemicals. Now I feel safe. We asked her to put on the clothes she used to work in when they used chemical. I worked in this raincoat, rubber boots, gloves, sun visor, and mask. It was hot and uncomfortable, and that made the work even harder. Alkaline water produced by electrolysis is also used to grow crops. Alkaline water dissolves nutrients from the soil much better than normal water. As a result, things grow bigger. At this time of year, farmers use chemicals once a week. By using this water, these farmers have not used chemicals at all so far, and still the cucumbers are thriving and delicious. I am sure this will be the method for chemical-free farming in the future. Because the water is highly acidic, you might be concerned about its effects, but according to the staff's experiments, the acid water changes to ordinary water in the soil. We have reported on many uses and benefits of this miraculous water, and we've been startled by these wonders.